Alright, here's the Trek Remedy 8. I was just doing a bike review on it. I just gave it a test ride. Did a 13-mile all-mountain enduro loop. It was a 41-minute uphill. And then a downhill for the rest of it. Has a dropper seat post right here, which I really liked. I was using that. It's a 1x11 crank, which I found was like a very smart gear shifting ratio. I was able to get up a shortcut that I was never able to ride up before without walking. Whew. Pretty hot out today. I did the entire loop in 1 hour and 28 minutes, which isn't my fastest time ever, but it's a pretty good time. Anything under 1 hour and 30 minutes is really fast. My best time being about 1 hour and 24 minutes, maybe. The tires were really good. And one of my favorite things about this bike was the brakes, actually, because I was able to go into the turns faster because the brakes were quick to react. I was able to slow down pretty quickly. Even going over bumpy terrain, the brakes still worked well. Maybe that's because the tires are so big and wide. These are 27.5 inch tires, 2.4 inch width, which I like. I was able to climb the hill pretty easily. I actually didn't stop. I only got stopped and knocked off my bike once when I was going up a hill. I had the front fork locked out, and I just didn't bump over a root, so I stepped off the bike, got back on. But that was the only time I got off the bike. So overall, I say it's a pretty good bike. It's not the fastest bike. It jumps pretty well. As I was going over the jumps, it would just float over the jump, which I liked. Felt very safe jumping. And I could lean into the turns more because the handles were wider. It has a pike front shock. So overall, I'd say the bike's pretty good, an 8 out of 10.